In this tutorial, I will be adding a client and a printer to VLAN 4 with the following information. Let's get started. Okay, lower left-hand corner and devices. And let's grab a laptop. And let's grab a printer and throw it into the work area. Let's click on the printer, configure, fast Ethernet 0, and the IP address, I'm going to give it 192.168.4.7. 4 because it is VLAN 4. And I'm going to copy this, Control C, and click in the subnet mask, and just exit out. Go to the label and update the label. Let's go to the laptop and configure. Configure, fast Ethernet 0, IP address, Control V, backspace, and 6. That's what I dedicated for the client. Click in subnet mask, and I'll zoom in so you can see it. The IP address and subnet mask for the client on VLAN 4. And exit out. Well, let's connect the laptop and the printer to the switch. So the lightning bolt connections, and we want copper straight through, fast Ethernet 0, and we want to use 2. And do the same thing for the printer. Copper straight through, fast Ethernet 0, 2, 3. And let's update the label. Control V, backspace 6. And I'll move it around so we can actually see the IP address. There we go. Now let's look at the switch and because we want to add devices to VLAN 4, and to do that, you just go to the switch, CLI, enter, and I'll zoom in so you can see what I'm doing. First, we have to enable the switch, configure the terminal, and interface, range. Now I'm going to be adding the client and a printer to VLAN 4. And so I want to create a range. And would be F1 through 3. Because I have 2 clients and a printer. So 1 through 3. Enter. Now SW tab, M tab, A tab, enter. SW tab, A tab, and since I'm working with VLAN 4, enter. Let's end, enter, copy, run start, enter, enter, and exit. And let's do, now we're in user mode, show VLAN, and we will find out that VLAN 4 has the following active. So it did work. So a good test to do would be to go to the PC or the laptop, doesn't matter. Go to the PC, go to the desktop, command prompt, and I'll zoom in. And a good test to see if this is working is ping 192.168.4.7, the printer. See if it talks to the printer. And it does, so everything was successful. In the next video, I will be adding another VLAN, so stay tuned for that.